Hi my friends, I'm passing through Hong Kong on my way to Bangkok, and I'm walking through one of the markets here, and just look at this place. If you're coming to Hong Kong for shopping, you might want to reconsider it. It's not really much to buy here. This is stuff that you could probably get in your home country. But anyway, just look at this here. Really not much to buy here. And you can see there's not really many people walking around here. You can just get a feeling that they've overall lost their tourism market. Prices are too expensive, products aren't good quality. It's just overall not a good place to go shopping. Anyway, we'll walk up a little bit, just let you have a look and see what's going on here. All these closed market stalls there and there and there. Well, wow, what do you see? A claw machine store. So there's a lot of businesses closing in Hong Kong, and it's not really good for shopping anymore. But anyway, we'll enjoy our walk around here. Really not much to see. Kind of disappointed with all these market stalls closed. This is in the heart of Mong at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and there's not much here. Just look. So these are a lot of the market stalls that are closed. Really not much happening here. Nothing really for shopping here. I don't buy any of this stuff here. This stuff is just a waste of money. Just look at all this stuff, not worth buying. And over here, I don't really see good high quality products. It's just not a good place for shopping. I think Bangkok will be a lot better. I've heard a lot of good things about Bangkok. We'll investigate Bangkok and find out what's going on there. Anyway, this place doesn't look that good. You guys saw all the closed market stalls. If you're going to Hong Kong, you're going to do some good shopping. I think you're wasting your time.